We're an octave up. Are we on?
Okay. Yeah.
Hi there.
We're on.
Okay. First finger, 13B. Second finger, 14G. Third finger, 15D. It's the same as we started with, an octave up. G, they hit the G, the D, and the B. Hit the D again, and then high E, 13. 12B. Now, 15th fret, D, G, and B. 13B. Backwards with the same chord. Now 15G, 14D to 13B. 12 high E. Same 15th fret, D, G, and B. 13B again. 15G. 12 to 14 on the D, and then the G on the same fret. D, 15 to 13B. D again. 13 high E. 12 high E, and the same 15th fret, D, G, and B. Same chord backwards. Now, 15G. We'll go 12 to 14 on the D, and then 12G. 15, 13B. D string, 12, 14, 15. So we've got. Nice if I could do it. Damn it. Now the bridge. Which is first finger high E8, third finger G10, pinky B10, just an F chord. Now the G string will drop one. Everybody else is the same. Now high E6, 8B, 9D, G, which is C7. Now from there, second finger goes. First finger stays on high E6. Second finger 7G, third finger 8B. It's a B flat 9 from the beginning. It's an F major, it's called a C shape. First finger top 3, 5th fret. Second finger 6B. Usually you pull off, hit it again and pull off your second finger, which is that F major 7. Same 3 on the third fret. Now we'll slide up on the D, G, and the B. Second to third fret. First position F chord. So we've got. Starts over. There's only one difference right before the very end the second time. All the same. Now. D, G, and B, 5th fret, down to 3rd. The next week.